I am going to show you how to use my free clip art as stickers for Goodnotes and Notion. So right here I have the PNG folder of one of my free clip art sets, and I'm going to show you how to use it. First, I'll show you here over in Goodnotes. I already have some there, so it's simple as click and drag. So I'm gonna grab this, pull it over, and then you can resize it, of course. The cup here, and you can use this as decoration, as icons. There we go. And then over here in Notion, if you use Notion, I have 3 different columns here that I already made just to show you. Otherwise it comes in really big. So click and drag over, same way, super easy to use. And then you can resize them. If I were to do it here on this big line, just really big, and then you can just, resize it however you'd like. Let me see here. So I'm going to show you how to just grab these on my website really quick. speconaspec.com. I'll link it in the comments below. Here's my clip art section. If you click on clip art, you'll be able to scroll through everything that I have. Otherwise, you can look by category. I have it broke up into a lot of different categories, and you can go into each of them and download the set. And the entire set, if I do this, click on this, it'll go to the downloads and then put it wherever you'd like. It's a zip folder, so you'll have to unzip that. But then as soon as you have that folder, then you have all of the pieces here. So I'll just show you. I can delete this one, bring this over. Where's my Goodnotes? Could bring this over here, and that way you can decorate, use them as planner stickers for Goodnotes and Notion. They are PNGs, so you can also use these in your own designs if you want. You might just have to upscale them if you are doing it for commercial purposes, but go ahead and use these clip art images however you'd like. I primarily use them for planner stickers for Notion and Goodnotes. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.